Hello there and welcome to the new tutorial on my channel. And in this tutorial I want to share with you one quick trick which today I found out because I was finding it a little difficult that my system is going to the sleep. Let's say I have to go out for maybe 5-10 minutes, 15 minutes, and I do not want my system to go on sleep. Like as you can see, I'm using Mac. And even on the Windows, this will going to work. So what this basically does is it keeps your system engaged and keeps it awake. So that way, you have, let's say, a script running or you have some work going on and you don't want your system to sleep for some reasons, right? You can do that. Also, a small hack is that if you are working, in an office environment, like you are working from home and all, and you have one of those requirements where you want to be online all the time and you don't want your status to show that you are away or not at your desk, in situation like this, you can take this hack. All right, let's see how we can do that. Well, first of all, what you need to do is you need to import or you need to install the package. So what is that package? So this package is basically the Python Auto GUI. So since I have already installed it by Auto GUI, but I'm sure you will not be having this. So what you can do is before importing it, you can run this command pip install by Auto GUI, and this will going to install the this Py Auto GUI package. And what you need to install is also the time. I'll show you in a minute why. Well, once you have imported it, you have these two packages with which you can work. Now what we will going to write is a loop which will going to take the which will going to run forever. Now keep in mind that it will use your system resources because it is keeping your system awake. So you may want to figure it out, like if you want to run it only when you are going away from your desk but still want to keep your system as status as online, well, only in that scenario you are taking it. Otherwise it may since it is taking your system resources, it may conflict with the other programs or scripts that is running if, let's say, you need more resources for that. So keep that in mind. So what we need to write is while true, capital T, while true, and press enter, and then we use this package Py Auto GUI dot move, as you can see, move REL. So what it will going to do is it will going to move your cursor, right? So this is a position, let's say 2 by 2. This is basically move little bit in the lower right direction, right? And then you want to take a pause in this case. So time dot sleep, that means it will going to sleep, let's say, for 2 seconds and then it will move. So you want to say 2 seconds, 5 seconds. I suggest you put this on a sleep, let's say, for 60 seconds because usually system don't sleep in 60 seconds. But still, since I want to show it in an action, time dot sleep is something which I will going to put it over here to show you how the cursor is moving. And yeah, that's about it. So we will going to press shift enter, and where is my cursor? So you will see that my cursor will be moving little bit. If you observe this, this loop is running. If you see that star which is in this while on the left side of the while, that means it shows that it is running, and my cursor is slowly moving towards downward right direction. So since it is moving automatically, it will not or the system will not go in the sleep mode, and you will be online forever, right? So that's what I wanted to show you. I was trying to figure it out, like because I wanted my system to be awake. I was running some scripts and all, or some processing going on, let's say, especially in the cases like whenever I am creating a very big video, like you may have seen the Tableau related videos where the duration is 1 hour and all. So it takes almost like 15-20 minutes, and what happens is the Mac sleeps and because of that, then the processing is paused in that direction. So I was trying to figure it out from that perspective, like how I can keep my system awake. But when I was searching about some scripts and all, I found these also use cases that people may use it to keep them online as well, or for script related, they want to keep running the script and don't want the system to sleep. All right, so with that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll meet you in the next video with a new topic.